Let's listen for words that have the short A sound, A as in cat, and the long A sound, A as in cake. If the word has an A sound, it goes under the cat. If it has an A sound, it goes under the cake. The first word is yam. Yam. Do you hear the A or A sound? Where should it go? A, yam. Mask, mask. A, mask. Cast, cast. A, cast. Rain, rain. A, rain. Skate, skate. A, skate. Raft, raft. A, raft. Tape, tape. A, tape. Braids, braids. A, braids. Gray, gray. A, gray. Van, van. A, van. Plant, plant. A, plant. Pail, pail. A, pail. Crab, crab. A, crab. Rake, rake. A, rake. Train, train. A, train. Trash, trash. A, trash. Vase, vase. A, vase. Pray, pray. A, pray.